here. I'm back with a brand new video. And a real estate contact for PC30152 at 12. This is, I just said it's like a quad bike. You could say my quad bike or something. I'm not really sure what the name is, but I found it at Target for $4, but I know it's at Toys R Us for $5. So I think it's a really good deal. The instruction guide, get that one paintlet with the other little shading sets. I still need, and this is basically it. I'll show you the moves in a second. What I like is these actually can come out and basically get two like traffic cones or a bomb thing. And he can put like a bomb and he can be drawing at the same time, and that just goes nicely on the back. And I think that is a very nice sign. And I have to say there is mainly one problem with this map, and that should be like gray, but it's black, and it just looks really odd. I mean, I like the yellow color, and it looks great. And our one minifigure is Steve, and this is try and focus on the face. I'm trying to turn up my light. I really can focus on it for some reason, but stupid glare. But that's basically the face. Is the Mr. Swat guy that Dr. Rug Daddy likes to use, and I mean besides that, really good set. I mean, found out Target for $4 when I pick it up. So I will rate this at 9 out of 10. I like it, but I just think it's that one color which is throwing me off. And I just realized I forgot to put a piece right there. And I do not believe it said instruction. Nope, it did. No, it's not paying attention. So this was kind of like a subscribe. Bye.